Good morning!
Sunshine.
How was your evening?
Oh, you know, I went home a winner.
Better than being a fucking loser.
28. It's like gumbo soup up there.
Gumbo soup, yeah, it's hot.
I don't know, we're racing a car that goes A to B. It's actually one of my fucking favorite cars, man. It's dogfish, small block. It's got a kit, big kit. But it normally goes A to B, so we go A to B when it's a little bit cooler out, but it's hotter than hell, so if it spins, who knows what's going to happen. So, we'll see.
What are you doing, buddy?
Can't pull that one.
What are you
No
doing?
switches, no switches.
Nash. No? What do you have to say about that?
What? Hello. Hey, you like these fucking shades, man?
Alex on here.
You're gonna draw in about 5-6 people.
Are you recording right now?
Listen, Milano.
If he gets next to me, he gets spanked.
Richard Farlow.
I meant Cindy. My man.
Victor Ransom.
Oh,
That's right. Let me see yours. Let him draw. He draws good chips. You want me to lane last night?
left lane, number 1, baby.
Chase that well.
Why do you always get asterisks? That's a good chip. Why not a good chip? Hey, oh, let me see what you are.
Big Harvey.
Really? I'm just kidding. Hey.
Yeah, the boogie. That is a byron. Update. We beat Dogfish in the Grudge. We are now going to first round of Invitational. We think we got a pretty fast car. Always how my luck goes, but it's a turbo Datsun, big KSR. Did some tuning and stuff like that on there, but we're gonna go down there. The weather's dropping a little bit, so that's gonna be better for us for not knocking the tires off. So if I let go of the trans brake, doesn't spin, we're gonna give it everything we can. So other than that, we'll see how fast that Datsun is.
Who'd you draw?
That red Mustang over there, the little street car.
Let me zoom in on that.
His buddy was entered in it and then couldn't make it, so they let him enter it. But you never know what happens. But he's got like a real street car, so I mean.
on number 2. Little turbo Fox. What you got? What you got, boy?
Got the blue, baby blue Fox body. It's like a Boss. It says Boss 302 on the side of it. It's got a hole in the front of it, but it's not a turbo car. It's a nitrous car. I'm like, what's that hole and what's that bottle? He said, oh, it's a turbo clip. We needed a clip. Huh. All right.
Bro, I got exactly the same. I picked the same exact.
That is.
What's good?
I'm red.
Oh fuck.
Are you blue?
Yeah.
2.
Hey, judging by the way you're yelling, you got like 1.
My throat's fucked.
Why would you do it?
Screaming the whole weekend. All these W's, dude. Got straight W's. Both grudge races, we took the big W. We went 3 rounds tonight, boys. Made it to the final 7. Random. We actually lost to the guy who won, which is the bank robber Mustang. And I'm trying to see the video at the finish line. He couldn't have been more than half a car in front of me. Maybe maybe a fender, to be
It looks
honest
like
with
a bumper, maybe
a fender.
maybe a front quarter at most.
He was out in front of me. It's a nitrous car, so it left pretty damn hard. Was getting into the 330, but I was coming on fast. So lost that, but can't be more thankful. Went from I think it was it 31 car field or 29 car field to the bottom 7. So went 3 rounds out of 5. Car ran good. Here it comes again. You ready? Another PB. Another personal best. So car's working good. Needs a little bit more power. So we might just have to experiment with the up arrow on the keyboard and just straight moon tune it. We finally got her cranked out to I think Matt said 24 pounds boost there, so those are still rookie numbers, but we're trying not to disintegrate this motor either. So we'll have some more stuff up to you. I think we might be going to maybe the 352 shootout. I don't know. There's people that want us to go up there and run the no time. But
Check the budget after this one.
we'll check the we'll check the budget. All this stuff adds up, man. I mean, $300 just in fuel for the motorhome alone. I think we paid what, 250 bucks in tech cards this weekend.
Yeah.
And then we won 500 bucks in our grudge races back, so that helped. But you know, just gotta hit that subscribe button for us now, kind of help us out a little bit. But other than that, we will catch y'all later.